Hello students, so today we'll be discussing about how to make a LC oscillator using the Colpit oscillator. So now we first learn about the aim. So to design, build and test the LC oscillator and observe the sinusoidal output waveform. So this is the LC oscillator was basically used to find out in the output sine wave in the high frequency range, like we get in the kilohertz frequency. And you know that we does not use in oscillator input frequency, we just get the output frequency using the LC circuit. So now here you know that two capacitor and one inductor is indicate that we use the Colpit oscillator. So this is the Colpit oscillator. Here we apply this 10 volt and here we get the ground. This is the all are the output. And if we need to a perfect sinusoidal wave, so we need to the in the C2 connect with a polar capacitor, right? So let's see in the circuit. So this is the my basic circuit. So you see here my coil, that it's known as the inductor, and this is the transistor. Here this is the transistor, this is the basically middle leg is indicate the base, and here this leg is indicate that ammeter, and this is they are the collector, right? And collector with connect with a 5 volt. Here you see it, this is the my collector, this is the base, and this is the ammeter. NPN transistor here we use it, and you see 2 and 2 transistor data sheet and you get it. And here I connect with a direct. You see here I does not use any type of wire, because the wire work as an antenna, and if we make to any type of the circuit the regarding to a capacitor, so we always need to the make without the any wires, right? So this is the resistor, this is a polar capacitor, transistor, and all are the resistor. This is my ground connect with a ground, and this is my signal was connect with a capacitor directly. Here I set the 4.8 volt and I get the 66.85 kilohertz, and this is the my I get the sine wave. So we need to see the time versus frequency range. So after this some time it will be movable. So take the reading like this, like time and frequency 0 minute, 2 minute, 4, and take up to 60 minute and note down the frequency. We get frequency in the kilohertz. And now, so this is the first part. So we need to save. So click in the here and then print, and it will take some time, and after that the photo was saved, right? If I vary the voltage, then let's see what happened. So you see it, amplitude was increased, right? So now here again I will try to set 5 volt. Yes, done it, right? And now in the second part, here I use the gain capacitor, and gain capacitor this and this leg was connect with the output capacitor, and we get the output frequency. Same range for the 20 minute take a reading, and again for the another capacitor here I vary this knob, and we get the different capacitor. Its range is the 0.0132 to 0.13 nanofarad, and this is the gain capacitor, right? So note down the reading and draw the graph, the frequency versus time, and we get it output, and use it after the variation of time, it is environmental effect, and we get the change in the frequencies. Thank you.